Some goals. It seems like so far everyone's done a really great job at progressing the way they should be and working hard and mastering lots and lots of these concepts. So what I want you to do is make a point to write down which ideas, which concepts, which lessons you haven't mastered yet, and make those your goals for before the winter break. So the way you're going to do that is log into Khan Academy and go into your profile. So once you go into your profile, it should give you a bunch of things that are suggested activity, things that you've been working on, all of your badges, all of that stuff, right? But on the left-hand side of the page, there's a tab called Goals. So click on that. And then it says start a new goal. You can start a goal for 5 videos. You can start a goal for 5 skills. I want you to start a custom goal. And what that will do is allow you to search any of the topics that you have not mastered yet and add them to your goal list so that when you're working at during class, at home, any of those times, you'll know immediately which lessons you're supposed to do that you haven't done yet. So here's your list along the side, right? And this is the document that I gave you guys during class on the very first day. And I also attached this to Podium, so if you need to take a look, you can. And you're just going to start at the beginning. So you're going to start with telling time. And when you search it, it should tell you if you've mastered it, if you're on your way to mastering it, any of those kinds of things. So you can select up to 10 exercises to work on. So you can say that I want to add my telling time videos as a goal. Okay, so all 3 of those I haven't mastered yet. I'm adding all of them. The next topic that you're studying is addition subtraction. So you can type in addition and subtraction. Oops. So let's just do addition for now. But these are all of the pieces of the addition lessons that you have not mastered yet. So these 2, clearly I've mastered. I don't need to add them to my goals. This one I'm getting there. This one is not mastered yet, so I'm going to add that. I'm going to add 4-digit segments. I don't need to add angle addition. I don't know what that is. Matrix, trig identities. Nope, those are all set. So now I'm going to move on to subtraction. 1 digit is mastered, 2 digits mastered. I already have these word problems in my list here. So I'm going to do my subtraction with borrowing and 4-digit subtraction. These other 2 things are not on my list, right? So now I'm going to scroll down. My next topic is multiplication division. Good. So basic multiplication, I'm getting there. Multiplication and carrying, multi-digit multiplication, good. All right, so I'm going to create this goal. This is my new custom goal. And now that I have this here, I can click on any of these units and it will bring me straight to the telling time page. So I know that that's something that I need to work on. And whenever I want to go back to my goals, I just go to my profile, click on goals, and it's right there. So this will also help you when you're working on the iPads, because I know we have a little bit of a limitation in terms of scrolling on the iPads. So building a goal will help, because you can just click on your goal to access new lessons. You can also create a new custom goal with 10 other lessons that you need to work on, right? So every goal can have up to 10 lessons. So I'm going to go back to my multiplying, see where I left off. I am going to want to do multiplying 3 digits by 1 digit, 3 digits by 2 digit, right? All of the lessons that are included on your handout should all be made into goals. And you can organize these a little bit. You can say this is going to be my multiplication division goal and do all of them there. You can say these are my factors and multiples goals and do all of them there. You're not going to have as many goals as I do, because obviously you guys have been working on this for a few weeks, so you're a little bit ahead. No worries. The other thing I want to talk to you about is once you get into absolute value and fractions, before you move on to decimals, I'm going to add in a unit here that's called similarity. And the reason I want to add this unit is because I'm going to show you a little bit of the similarity unit quickly. We will, hopefully, if everyone masters the similarity unit, I'm planning on taking us on a little bit of a field trip prior to the winter break. But we need the skills in the similarity unit in order to have it be a mathematically applicable field trip. So similar triangles 1, similar triangles 2, solving similar triangles, and solving similar triangles 2, and then your challenge. If we can master this unit as a class within the next week or so, we will be able to take our field trip. So I'm adding the similarity unit right after fractions because I feel like everyone's kind of almost there. So that's where we're going to start focusing on similarity just a little bit. Okay? So if you have any questions about how to create a goal or what your expectations are for the next 2 weeks, please send me an email or touch base with me after class. Okay? Thank you.